you in the flesh, but it will nourish your spirit, and then you'll flourish fresh. Otherwise, I smell the lies and sin. My eyes rise to the skies, gotta fly, says medicine. He said in indefinite stillness to teach my mind, body, and soul to be wise like a serpent, but harmless as a dove.
Silence is the sweetest sound. Deafening silence would be a sweet, sweet sound now. Silence is the sweetest sound. Deafening silence would be a sweet sound now. Silence is the sweetest sound. Deafening silence would be a sweet, sweet sound. Silence is the sweetest sound. Deafening silence would be a sweet sound.
I'm a man dwelling underground, living in the void of sound, searching for some peace and quiet lurching I was found. Yet the fact is that the verbal acrobat knows how to manipulate words in such a fashion that fools get smashed when I detonate to blast off into infinity. The Trinity was in my heart, so I had to part with the noise, poise, and eloquence. Hence came forth, so I took the sense with hesitation, silent restoration. The average savage can't ravage or pillage my pilgrimage into silence. An island like hot